Hello friends, my name is Sachil and once again welcome back to channel Tech Today. So today we will learn Morph transition, which is one of the best transition of PowerPoint, and learning this transition will definitely take you to the next level in PowerPoint. So let's get started. Let's open a new PowerPoint and delete layout. Let's insert Smart Art. Select cycle, then choose this pie diagram, then click on OK. Now add some more pie shapes by clicking on Add Shape under Smart Art Design. Then go to the Convert option under Smart Art Design and convert to Shape option to be selected. Now pie diagram is converted into shape. Now select the shape and right click from mouse. Then click on Group, select Ungroup option. Now adjust the pie exactly the same as other pie shape, like this. It has become a nice shape. Let's make it little bigger. Now we need 6 circles. So let's insert circle from shape option. And adjust the size of the circle and place it at the center of the shape. Now press Ctrl D 5 times to have total 6 circles. Then go to the Arrange option under Home menu bar and select Selection pane. Here select all the ovals by pressing the Shift key. So all the circles are selected. Click Arrange, then Align and Align Center. And again go to the Arrange, Align Middle option to be selected. Now adjust the circle in center of the pie shape. Next, the very important step under which each pie will be separated from shape. Let's check out the steps. Select pie shape and right click from mouse and ungroup the shape. Select one of the pie portion along with the circle. Go to the merge shape under shape format and click on subtract. So here you can see first pie is separated from the whole pie shape. Now repeat the process by selecting another pie portion and circle. Till then all the pies get separated. So mission is completed. Now select all the portion and zoom it and squeeze the size of the pie so that visible space will be made between each pie. Now insert the picture. Here I am gonna show you proper way to crop pictures and put them in each pie portion. Make picture size same as pie portion. Put picture on back of the shape. Then first select the picture. Then select pie portion by holding Shift key. Now click on Merge Shape under Shape Format and select Intersect. So move to the next portion. Select whole portion. Right click on mouse, then select Group. Now rotate it. Again insert the picture. Adjust the size and put it on the back side of shape. Again select the shape, right click on mouse and ungroup the shape. Same steps to be followed. First select the picture, then click on pie portion by holding Shift key. Now merge shape option under shape format and select intersect. That's it guys. Now go to the crop option under picture format and now select the picture you want to adjust in the pie, like this. Now repeat the process of adjusting the image on each pie. Finally, all the pictures are set in different pies. Now let's duplicate the slide by right clicking from mouse. Now let's insert some text in the PowerPoint. Let's name it Artificial Intelligence. Change its font type and size. Let's put it in the center of the shape. Select whole portion. Right click on mouse, then select group. Now let's select the shape and drag it at the left side of the slide. Now duplicate the slide and select all the items on slide number 3 except text. Then press Ctrl G for grouping the shape. This option can also be selected by right clicking on mouse and select the group option under group. Then rotate the shape. And ungroup the shape by right clicking from mouse. Now enlarge the portion with human face picture and adjust it to the perfect position. Now copy the text by select on text. Press Ctrl and drag the text. Let's write the big title, significant role. Again copy the text and write content. As you can see, I have pasted the content. Change its font type and size. So let's add some more visuals to give good effects by inserting pictures from Insert option. Here I will use Transparent tool by selecting a shape and insert image under the shape. Now scroll the transparency tool. Let's copy these visuals and paste to the slide number 2. And let's drag it downwards. Let's check Morph transition for these 3 slides. Select all the slides and click on Morph transition under transition option. Let's go to the slideshow and see how does it looks. So friends, already it looks beautiful. Next step, duplicate the third slide. Now let's remove the visuals from this slide and also delete the portion picture. Now select the portion picture at slide number 2 and copy it by Ctrl C and paste it on slide number 4 by Ctrl V option. Insert the visuals. Adjust it in the slide and send it to the back side. Change the subtitle Data Analysis. Change its font type and size. Then group them by right clicking on mouse. Then rotate the wheel to present the next picture, which is enlightened human brain. Now ungroup the picture and enlarge the picture. Like we did in the previous slide, copy the visuals and paste them in the previous slide. And let's drag it downwards. Duplicate the fourth slide. Remove the visuals and delete the picture portion. Now repeat the step. Select the portion picture from slide number 2. Then copy it and paste it on slide number 5. Then group them by right clicking on mouse. Rotate the shape. Now again ungroup the picture, and now I will select the image Human are accepting AI and enlarge the portion like this. Then change the subtitle. Change its font type and size. Now add on new visuals and send it back. Then, like we did in the previous slide, copy the visuals and paste it in the previous slide and drag it downward. Again, duplicate the slide. Then delete visuals, remove portion picture Then paste the portion picture from slide number 2. Then group them, rotate the portion picture. Again ungroup the picture. Enlarge the selected portion. Then change the subtitle. Change its font type and size. Now add on new visuals and send it back. Then copy them and paste it in the previous slide and drag it downwards. Let's once again duplicate the slide. Then delete visuals, remove portion picture. Then paste the portion picture from slide number 2. Then group them by right clicking on mouse. Rotate the portion picture. Again ungroup the picture. Enlarge the selected portion. Now add on new visuals and send it back. Then copy them and paste it in the previous slide and drag it downwards. Then change the subtitle. Change its font type and size. This one is the final one. Duplicate the slide. Then delete visuals, remove portion picture. Then paste the portion picture from slide number 2. Then group them, rotate the portion picture. Again ungroup the picture. Enlarge the selected portion. Now add on new visuals and send it back. Then change the subtitle. Change its font type and size. Then copy them and paste it in the previous slide and drag it downwards. And at the last, this step is optional, but if you will do it, this will give the end effect. Let's duplicate the slide and put it at the position of the last slide. Now click on transition menu bar. The magical key, hit Ctrl A for select all the slides. Then go to the transition and click on Morph. Now let's go to the slideshow and see the beautiful morph effect. Bravo! If you will make it to the end, you will be champion. Let's reduce the timing to 0.75 seconds and see the slideshow little bit faster. Now let's save this transition in video format MP4. So click on Save As and select as MP4 video and save it. Now it is saving. Let's play the video. Friends, I hope I did well in explaining this time. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe this channel and hit the like button. That will definitely help me a lot. Thank you friends. We will meet soon in next video.